Good morning, everyone. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So, those who have joined today, just I want to know how many of you are joined today. Good morning, everyone. How many of you are joined today? Just to tell me hi, so that I can find. So, how many of you are here? Just I can count them, so I can see them. Yes. Hi. Okay. So, hi, everyone. Hi. So, very well. Welcome to everyone. So, yesterday, those who have missed my class, just you can check the yesterday's class, because no, yesterday's class is very important. If you don't know the yesterday's class and today you are joining, means it will be difficult, because it is not continuation you are going to have. But you can understand, because I will give the glance quickly. Okay. So first, all of you remember yesterday's class we have already done, and it was it was already we have explained to that. So just those who have joined yesterday, no problem for them. Those who are not joined, not a issue. You can today, you can go through that once, and then we can. Yes, Abhishek Yadav is here, Sakshi Bedagal is here, Satyesh Anusha Bhatt, Yashaswini is here, Chinta Nilesh Bhatt, Ransita, Tinmay, Sanjana Shetty is here. So several students are here. Very good. So let us start today's class. So we are in which lesson? We are in arithmetic progression. Yes, gamer, great. We are here. So lots of members are here today. So comparatively yesterday, I think so. So let us start the today's class. Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I'm here today, Sumant. So this is the second class. Yes, this is the second class, and hopefully all of you have gone through the yesterday. So, hi everyone. Yes, we are in AP lesson. So AP is nothing but a arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means yesterday I have explained to you. It is like a logic question. You have to find the fill in the blanks, means how to find the next term using the previous term and the common difference. Okay, so those are yesterday didn't came. Just I want to just memorize it, means not memorize it, just we have to revise it once again. Revise it afterwards. You can go through it. So take down the sum number, and you have to tell me what is the AP and what it is, what you have learned. The first one we have number as a 5, 8, 11 and dash number, and next we will have 17. Will you fill this number? What is the number you are going to fill here? So what is the number it will be possible for you to fill here? Which number you are going to fill here? So if you know that, then you will get that answer properly. What is AP? You can say it. Yes, Sudesh, you are saying you are going to fill it 14. Yes, you are how to fill that number as a 14. Why have to fill it as a 14? Anyone will you say that? Why we have to fill here as a 14 as the answer? Why it is not possible with the any other number? Why we have to go with the 14 only? Yes, why we have to go with the 14 only? Why we can't go with any other number? That is my question. And it is in APS. It will be in a AP only if you are going to put. Yes, there is a difference of plus 3. Yes, very good. So everywhere we have the difference of a plus 3. So we have to go with the plus 3 only. Remember, very important it is. So we have to find what is the difference between them. The difference between them is plus 3. 8 minus 5 equal to 3, and 8 plus 3 it will do 11. So again we will do plus 3, it will be 14. 14 plus 3 will be 17. So this is the way how we have gone through it, and we have found the answer for it. So I hope you have understood this. Any difficulty you don't have. So whether it is in AP, whether this question is in AP, yes, this the whole sequence is in AP, because if you have the common difference, then it is called as the AP, and the common difference, this 3 what you have everywhere, that is called as what? D value. D value is 3. And what is the formula to find the D value? Quickly revise it, because some students have joined today. So I want the answer from you only. So how you can find the answer? That is D value. D value can be found using the formula. What is that D formula is? How you can find the D value? Formula is that A2 minus A1. Very good, Sakshi. Belgal. So that is nothing but D can be found by A2 minus A1. Yes, D can be found by A2 minus A1. Means we have to minus the next term with the previous term. Yes, AK minus 1. That is also formula. Very good, Yashasvi. So this is the way how we can find. Okay, now very importantly, we will take the same example and we will go through it yesterday what we have learned. So here, which one, that 5 is called as which term? Quickly. The 5 is called as which term? 5 will particularly we will give one term, and if numbers are in a sequence order, it is increasing with the same difference, then it is called as a AP. So 5 is called which number? Because here A to A1 everything is done. What is that A2? What is that A1? We must know. So what is that? What is that 5 is referred as? First term, it is nothing but A value, or it is also called the A1. Second term, we will call it as A2. Third term, we will call it as A3. Fourth term, it will be A4. Fifth term will be A5. And what we will call for the last term? What is the name of that last term? What is the name of that last term? The last term will be there, no? So some name will be there. First term is A1. Also, it is called the A also sometime. It is A2, A3, A4, A5, and last term is very good. Sanjana Shetty, she have given the answer. The last term given as AN. Remember that the first term, second term, third term, similarly fourth, fifth, and last term is given as AN. But we can substitute this value, that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 until AN. We can write it down. Okay, no problem. So we can write it down as a sequence of number if the given thing is in AP. So it is in AP, because AP, how to find? The difference must be equal. Difference must be 3 for each term. Okay, so every time we must have the same difference. So we have the same difference here, not a problem. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Next one I am asking for you. Next one I am going for to give you the same thing. So now if I will give you one more number. So for example, 8, 16, 24, 32. Whether this is given AP is in this given sequence in AP. Whether the given sequence is in AP. Yes. The given sequence is in AP. Yes, it is in AP with the numbers. What is the difference between them? The first number is 8 and the difference between them is equal, because the difference between them is 8 and 16. If you will do the minus of them, it will be plus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 24 minus 16 is 8. And 32 minus 24 is 8. And obviously when you are finding the D value, that is A2 minus A1, means This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. We have to find the difference of that. A2 minus A1 we have to find. A2 minus A1 is nothing but 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. So similarly, we are not having only one D formula as A2 minus A1, but D can be written as A3 minus A2 also. Any two numbers which is in sequence we have to take. If you want to take 16 as the first number, then we have to take the previous number 8. If you want to take 24, that A3 we have to take the previous term we have to minus A3 minus A2. If you want to take A4 at the beginning, so D is equals to A4 also, but you have to minus with the previous term A3. So like this way we will have the common difference we will have for different. Any one formula you can apply. It is not that D is equals to A2 minus A1 only. You can go with the D is equals to A3 minus A2 and D is equals to A4 minus A3. But only one thing you have to remember, whenever you will do the difference, all the difference must be equal. So for example, here only A3 value is 24 minus 16, that is equals to 8, and next A4 is 32 minus 24, A3 value is 24, A4 is 32, and you will get the D as 8. See, everywhere you have the common difference is 8 only, so therefore it given thing is sequence is in AP. Okay, this much we have learned yesterday. So let us move further. Anything else you have learned yesterday, or only this much? Only this much, or anything else you have learned yesterday? If you have learned yesterday anything extra, you can say it to me, that we can go through it. If you have not learned anything extra, no problem. Today we will learn extra. Anything else we have learned yesterday? No. So we have learned one more thing. You might have forgotten, but we have learned one more thing. What is that one more thing we have learned? Okay, that I have given the last time. Last I have explained to you. What is that last we have discussed? Okay, let us learn that. So if a given sequence is not in AP, that we have also learned, that we will write it down once. I will take down one question. Let us see that. So 19, 16, 13, 10 and so on. Whether the given AP, the given sequence in AP. Yes, SSV. Correct answer. SSV Mogesh have given correct answer. Yesterday we have learned the finding AP also. Yes, that I will tell you next. But before that, one more question. Whether this sequence is in AP. So those who are not attended yesterday's class, you can answer to me now. So those who are not attended, those who are already joined, you can text me. Those who are not attended yesterday's class, today you are attending also, you can answer to me. This is in AP or this is not an AP? It is an AP. Yes, very good. It is an AP. Why it is a AP? AP, it is a AP, yes, because when you will do the subtraction, we must get the same difference. Common difference must be same. Whether the number is going reverse way, whether number is going increasing order, decreasing order, ascending or descending order, no problem. So here the problem is numbers are decreasing, but whether it is an AP, so we will find that D is equal to. First term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, fourth term is A4 and so on. The formula wise, if you will go A2 minus A1, so A2 is 16 minus 19, A2 is 16, A1 is 19. If you will do the subtraction, it will be minus 3. Greatest number is negative, so 19 minus 16 is 3, that is minus 3. Next, similarly, we will go for A3 minus A2. A3 value is 13 and A2 value is 16, so obviously it is minus 3 difference. And D is equals to next A4 minus A3, because they are given the 4 terms, means 3 differences we can find. 10 minus 13, that will be minus 3. See, every time the difference, common difference, what we have, common difference I am talking about, that is minus 3 only. So given thing is in AP. Yes, correct. So very good. This one we have learnt extra. And similarly, I will give one more question. 25, 27, 29, 32 and 34. Whether the given sequence is in AP and so on. Whether the given sequence is in AP. Whether the given sequence is in AP. Yes, it is in AP. So several students are saying yes, some students are saying no. So what it is, whether it is in AP. So here you have to be careful. Here you have to be careful. Why you have to be careful here? Because it looks like AP. If you will find the common difference of these two, it is plus 2. 27 minus 25 is plus 2. 29 minus 27 is plus 2. Now very important, 32 minus 29 is plus 3. And next 34 minus 32 is plus 2. So here what happened? Here everywhere we have the common difference is plus 2, but one is having the minus plus 3. Common difference between the two terms what you have taken here is 3. Somewhere it is came as a 3. So when it will come like this way, and it will not become an AP, not an AP. So remember, so AP and not an AP to find, we have to go through the common difference. The common difference must be equal throughout the sequence. Then only we can say whether AP or whether it is not an AP. So like that way we can understand. So yesterday also I have explained. And one more thing we have explained is if you have given one number 3 repeatedly, and last number is also 3, last number is an value, it is also 3, whether this sequence is in AP, that is also most important. Okay, that is also most important. Now you can answer to me this. So here I have taken what? The first term is 3, second term is 3, third term is 3, fourth term is 3, and it is going on increasing. Okay, it is going on increasing, and here you have to find the last term. The last term is also 3 it is. So whether it is in AP, yes, you can answer, all of you can answer, yes, it is in AP. It is in AP. Why it is in AP? Because the common difference between them, yes, very good, the common difference between them is how much? 0 each time. So every time the common difference is 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, so on till the end. It is 0 only. The common difference is nothing different. It is same. So it is an if. So I hope you understood everything. Now we will. So those are not joined yesterday. Today you have joined, and will you have any doubt regarding this? You can ask quickly. But because we are going for the next one, finding the AP. Very importantly, we are going for the finding AP. We have to find the AP now. So how to find that AP? First we have to see how we can find whether the given sequence is in AP or not in AP. We have to go through it. Just for the purpose, all of you quickly, if you have a doubt, you can ask. Otherwise we will move further. Okay, no doubt. So let us move towards the next part, finding the AP. How to find the AP? So let us go for the AP. How to find? If, see here, I have told the first term is given as a A1 and also it is given as A. Not only A1, the first term of one AP. First term is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. It will go till AN. The first term what we have here, that is the position of the first term, that is called as A1 and it is also called as A also. And like that way A2 will have as it is, it will not change its name, it will remain as it is, but only the A1 will change to A. So that A1 of A or A, that is equals to, we will take as a 3. Okay, and the D what we have, that we will take it as a difference, common difference what we have, that we will take it as a 5. So what will be the AP? What is that AP will be? AP sequence will be starting with what? First letter must be what? Yes. What will be the AP value? What is the sequence of AP will be? So you have to find the first letter is 3. So here I can write it on, the first letter is 3. So what will become the second letter? That is second sequence number. What it will be? First is 3. Yes, next one will be. The first will be 3 because it is a important. The 3 will be there. Yes, very important 3. Second one will be. Yes, second one will be 5 more because the second term and the first term will have difference of how much? 5, that is plus 5. So next term will be 5 more, that is will be 8. Third term will be again 5 more, the difference, common difference is 5 more. The third term will be 8 plus 5 is 13. And again it will move on, 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is how much? 18. And it will continue. It will not have the end, it will continue. So we can find the AP if they have given a value for us and also they have given the D value for us. If you found the first value and if you know the last value, it is possible to find the AP. The not given AP also we can find. So it is easy to find. So for that purpose, what is actually here we are doing is, see here, the last term we don't know because last term they have not given. So what we are doing, the first term what we have, that we are keeping as it is. See, all of you remember there is a formula now to find the AP. So what is that formula? We are deriving it. So deriving, when you are deriving it, all of you concentrate. The first term is A will remain as it is. The 3 it will remain as it is. But the second term is a combination of A2 is a combination of what? 3 plus 5. 8 means nothing but 3 plus 5 means we have to add a first term with the plus 5. Plus 5 refers to what? D. We have to add A and D. So second term is nothing but A plus D. Understood? The first term is A, that is 3. Second term is 3 plus 5. Clear? So it will become how much? 3 and second term will become 8. Yes. Similarly, the third term. Third term is 13. So 13 is what? It is a combination of A2 plus 5. Means we are adding A2 value with the D. A2 value with the D. And like that way it will continue. So next term 18 will be A3 with the D. So it is continuing like this way. So here you can see you have to add a D for each previous term to get the next term. Okay, so deriving, when you are doing the derivation, just you see here, we will go with the A letter only. So here it is the A, second letter will be A plus D, third letter will be A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D. So A plus D plus D, because this D I have written as it is. A2 value is A plus D. Here only we have what? So I will rub this. The number I will rub. What we are doing the derivation, just to see. The first letter A, second letter A2 is equals to A plus D. So third letter A2 plus D, fourth letter A3 plus D. So here you can see A2 can be written as A plus D. So in place of A2 I am writing A plus D. Okay, in place of A2 I am writing A plus D. A3 is what? So again we will simplify the further. A as it is, A plus D as it is. This one is A, D plus D is 2D. Yes, D plus D is 2D. Similarly, we will move further. This is nothing but A3. So this value what we have, that is nothing but A3. So like that way, A3 value is what? A3 value we have already got A plus 2D plus D. So it is increasing order. So this is the sequence we found. What is that sequence? The first number is A. Second number, that is A1, is nothing but A. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3 and this is A4. So second number A2 is given as A plus D. Third number A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. Fourth number A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. And like this way it is increasing. So similar simple way I will tell you. A1 means the first letter, that is A only. A2 means what? It is a combination of A and it is a combination of a common difference D. A3 when you will go, A3 can be written as here, A3 I will write on, A3 can be written as A2 plus D. The previous term what we have, that for that we have to add the common difference D. But A2 already we know. What is that A2 is? A2 is here, A plus D. substitute that A2 value. So D value as it is you will keep. So A as it is, D plus D is 2D. So A3 value will become A plus 2D. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find A4, A4 is nothing but we have to add a D for the previous term. A4 to find means we have to add a D for the previous term. So A4 is nothing but A3 plus D. But what is the A3 value? A3 value is here. A plus 2D. Substitute that value. So it will become A plus 2D. Because A3 value is A plus 2D. And lastly we have that D as it is. That D I will keep it as it is. A keep it as it is. But 2D plus D is 3D. So like this way it will continue. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D. And don't want the derivation. Actually, don't want this derivation. Only have to remember one thing. The derivation is not needed, but you have to remember only one thing. Here, I will clarify you. Don't worry. I will clarify you. That is, if you have a, that is A1. If you have A1, it is A. We don't have any D. Okay. If we have a 2 here, it will be A will remain. See, every time the A will remain as it is. It will not make any changes. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry, I will tell you. So A1 when it will come, it will remain A as it is. When it is A2, that is also A as it is. If you will take A3 also, that is A as it is. If you will take A4 also, there will be A as it is. It will not make any changes with the A. But only the thing is, D is changing. The plus is also remains as it is. Plus will also not making any changes. Only changing is D. First, concentrate on the number. Here we have 1. A1 we have. How many D's we have? How many D we have? Answer. If you have 1 as a A1, you are finding the first term. How many D we have? How many D we have? If it is a 1. If you have A1, you are finding how many D you have here. Yes, quickly. How many D you have here? Any D's are here? Any D is there? 0 D. Yes, very good. It is 0 D. So nothing is there. So when you have a 2, A2 you are finding. How many D is here? How many D is here? When you are finding the D value, how many D is here? Means second A2 value, when how many D's are here? Yes, that is first one is 0. So what about the second one? How many D's are here? Yes, A will be there, don't worry. 1, yes, there is a 1D here. There is a 1D here. Understood? There is a 1D here. When you are going for the 3, when you are finding the 3, how many D is here? Concentrate. How many D is here? Just to concentrate and answer. Very easy it is. Very easy to understand. When you have a A3 you are finding, how many D's are here? 2D. Yes, very good. Here we have 2D. Here we have 2 times D. Okay. Now if you will go further, here it is a 4 now. A4 you are finding. How many D is here? A will remain as it is. It will not make any change. How many D's are here? If you are going for A4, then how many D is here? That is very important. So only this much if you will understood it, it will be yes, that is 3D. Very good, Nidhi, Sanjana, Srinidhi and all. So here, yes, Bhakti, Hansi also. Very good. Here we have 3D. So remember, which number you are taking, one less D we will have. So here you are having 1, A1 you are finding, so it is 0D, nothing is there. When you are having the second term, you will have 1D. When you are finding the third term, you will have 2D. When you are finding the fourth term, you are having the 3D. So now if I will take A5, will you say what is the term you are going to add it? What are the terms you are going to add here? Yes. What are the terms? Yes, very good, Chintan. That is nothing but A5 you are finding means it will be A plus. Yes, D is going on increasing. A plus 4D. Understood? So it will become a plus 4d. So remember, a will not make any changes. A will remember, a will be there as it is. A will not make any changes. A will be there as it is, but d is going to increase how the number is increasing. Means here the relation you can find, if number is 5, fifth term you are finding, means it will remain 4d. Okay, it will remain for one less. If you want to find, okay, one question, if you want to find a10, what is the formula to find a10? What is the formula to find a10? Quickly. Anyone? Very good. By Srinidhi, Bhakti, Hansi, Sudesh and all. Very good, very good. It is nothing but a plus 90. So it is like a logic question. It is like a logic question. A10 if we are finding, it is nothing but a plus 90. If here 10 we have, here we have to bring one less. Similarly, if you are finding a100, see you are finding the 100th term. Remember here a100 means 100th term you are finding. A10 means 10th term you are finding. 10th term it is. A100 means 100th term. Remember, you can find using this any of the term. It is not that you can find only adding we have to do. No. Directly also we can find. Yes, it is nothing but a plus 99d. Very good, Yashasvi. Yashaswini. Yes, Yashasvi and Yashaswini, both of them. It is easiest. So directly you can find the 100th term. So now I will give one question. The first term of an AP, is 6 and the common difference is 2. I don't want to go with the 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Like this way you can go. How much you can go? First term is here, second term is here, third term is here, fourth term is here, fifth term is here, sixth term is here. Okay. Till the sixth term you have found. If I will tell a term, you can go with like this way method, 18 plus 20. So it will be 8th term. 8th term is what here? 20 as the answer. But if you will go with the formula, whether you are going to get the answer, A8 can be found by A plus 70. A value is 6 and 7 as it is, because 7 you have to keep, because we are finding the 8th term, so it will be 70. 7 into D value is 2. So 6 plus 7 to the 14. What is 6 plus 14? 20. So see here, without doing the calculation, without doing this sequence, without doing the sequence also, we can find the value of that 8th term. The value of the 8th term, we can move on. So similarly, if I will ask, it is easy for you to go through like 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Not a problem, because only 8th term I have asked. But in exam or in an exam paper, they will not going to ask A directly. They will ask, find the 51st, okay, 51th, okay, 51th term. You have to find the 51th term. So how you will find the 51th term? See here, TH I have given. TH means that term you have to find. What is the term of 51th term here? What is the value of that 51th term of this given sequence, of this given A and D value? What will become the 51th term? So how to find the 51th term? What is the formula? What is the formula? We have to find A51 now. 51th term you have to find. How it is possible? Directly you can go with the formula method. Yes, very good. Bhakti Hansi, here you have to go with the A plus 50D. And A value is 6 and 50 as the value, and into the D value is 2. First we have to do the Bodmas rule. We have to multiply first. So 6 plus 50 to the 100. So what is the value of 51th term? 106. Yes, that is the answer. Yes, who gave that first answer? Nilesh Bhatt have given the first answer. Not Nilesh Bhatt, sorry, one more is there. Sudesh have given the first answer. Yes, very good. So see, you have learnt now to find which term if they have given the A and D value for you. The common difference will be given. Yes, common difference will be given, and the first term is given means you can find the term of any term. Here, okay, 51 the term is simple. 106 it is not a problem because 6 is the first value. So if instead of that, if we have given find the 1001th term, so whether it is possible for you to go like this way, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 18, 20, 22. Like this way you have to go till a 1001th term. Is it possible to go? Whether it is possible to go till 1001th term. It is possible. I am not saying it is impossible, but it will take the time. It will take the time, and you will get a confusion and lots of things you will do in mistake, and you can go with the mistake. So directly a 1001th term is equals to a plus 1000d. Yes, already you have given the answer. Several students have already given the answer. Very good. Bhakti Hanji given the formula. Sudesh have given the answer also. Very good. So a value is 6 and 1000 as it is. The difference between them is 2. I have given 6 plus 1000 into 2 is 2000. So it is nothing but 2006. So within 1 minute, not 1 minute, 15 or 10 seconds, you have given the answer. If you go like this way, I think it will take 1 hour at least, 1/2 an hour at least, if you are very speed, and you have to count that. So it will take time. So make it simple. So now what we have learned today, we have learned to find the nth term. So like this way we can't go. Yes, like this way we can't write down the formula. This is not the formula. What I have written, it is not the formula. Okay, so formula wise, if you want to go, see, I will write once again. I will write down the formula once again. All of you take down that properly. The first term we are finding a1 using the a. a2 can be written as a plus d. a3 can be written as a plus 2d. a4 can be written as a plus 3d. And a5 can be written as a plus 4d. So on it will move, and we must go to the an. Will you say what is the formula? This is the formula. This is the last term formula. This nth term formula we are finding. So what will be the formula? What will become similar? See here, everywhere we have a as it is. So what will become the formula of an? Because of an we will consider as the last term, and it is very important to find, because this formula we are going to apply. This formula we are going to apply for solving the problem. So what is that an refers to? An is the important formula, because this is only the formula we are going to apply. Yes, Satish Kotian, very good. Satish Kotian, very good. So here similar rule will apply. A is as it is, common it is. So we will put that a as it is. We will not make any changes with the a. A as it is, plus as it is, nothing change. But here you have n. See, if you have 5, we are writing 4, 1 less. If you have 4, we are writing 3. We have 3, then we are writing 2. If you have 2, we are writing 1. Okay, 1 means 0. So 1 less every time. So here you have n, so 1 less. So n minus 1, put it in a bracket. Very importantly, you have to put it in a bracket. If you won't put the bracket, it is wrong. Next, difference d as it is. Everywhere d as it is. So d we will put as it is. And this is your formula to find the nth term of an AP. So write it down. Formula to find nth term of an AP. Okay, so here nth term of an AP we are going to put, but you may ask how to find this. Here what that n refers to. Here that n refers to nothing but any value. If you want to find sixth term, if you want to find the sixth term, substitute that formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the n value will become 6, because you are finding the sixth term. Here you are finding the sixth term, so n value will become 6. So substitute everywhere where you can find this n value, there you substitute as a 6. So a6 is equals to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. D value keep it as it is, not a problem. A as it is, 6 minus 1 is how much? 5, 5d. See here, we got the formula. A6 is equals to a plus 5d. So similarly, if you want to find a 101th term, the formula will become. So now what is the n value? If you are finding the 101th term, what will be the n value? What is the n value here? You are finding the 101th term. So what is the formula to find the n value? What is the n value here? First you tell me. Yes, very good. Those who have given the answer. Now I am asking 101th term. So all of you make the video live. It will be proper afterwards. Yes, the n value will become 101. So which term you are finding, that will become the n value. So substitute that. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A 101 is equals to a plus 101 minus 1 into d. It is nothing but a plus 100d. So a 101 term is nothing but a plus 100d. Clear? Yes. So like this way you can find any term of an given AP if they have given the value for you. But here you have to write down, okay, the formula when you have written, just to make sure that write down that AN, what that AN is called. AN is called as a general term of an AP. AN is called as a general term of an AP. A is called as what? First term of an AP. N is called, actually N is no need. N is called the number of AP. The term and the term. Okay, the term of an AP. How, which term you are going to find, that is called as a term. D is called as a difference, common difference. So this is everything. Yes, n is called the value, which number you are finding, which term you are finding, that is called as the n value. Particularly, we can't say that what is n refers to. Okay, what is that n refers to? We can't say. N means any number, which term you are finding. Term. Okay, n means you can write on term. Term you can write only that much term. Okay, so number of term, no, only term we can find. We are finding only one term. Okay, so this is the value, which is the general form, and I have given all the notation and everything for you. Now we will go with the one question. Okay, let us see how you have understood this and how you can find it. So I will give one question. All of you have already learnt what is that first term, what is that common difference, and how to find the nth term and all. Okay, here I will give you one question. Find 21st term of the AP 3, 7, 10, sorry, 3, 7, 11, and so on. You have to find the 21st term of this given AP. Good morning everyone. Just to find this. You have to find the 21st term of the given AP using the formula. We will see how many of you will solve and how many of you will find difficulty. A very easy question I have taken. Let us see how many of you will get this answer. So anyone found the answer? So yes, very importantly, here we have to find the A term and the D term. Yes, now we have also got the answer. Satish has given the that one sequence how to find, and Bhakti Hanji has given the answer. Nilesh Bhatt also given the answer. Very good, very good. Harish also. So here the thing is, we have to find A value first, then you have to find the D value, then we have to find the 21st term. So what is the A value? Because AN formula you know, AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We are finding 21st term. So n value obviously here, n value will become 21. So we will write it down. N value will become 21. So what is that A value? Next we required A value. What is that A value? Yes, you got the answer, but what is that A value? A is referred as Yes, you can go directly a plus 20d also, not a problem. Or formula wise also you can go. So I'm asking what is that a value? 3. Very good, Yashasvi. The first term of an given AP is 3. So 3 is the first term. So it is the a value. So what is the d value? D value is nothing but we have to find the difference between them. So here the difference is a2 minus a1 you can go, or a3 minus a2 you can go. a2 is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So d value is nothing but 4. So d value you got as a 4 and a value is 3. So we can find the answer. So a 21st term is nothing but a value. A value is 3 plus n value is 21 minus 1. Put that bracket. D value is 4. Substitute the value. So 3 plus 20 into 4. Because 21 minus 1 is 20. So 3 plus 24 is 80. So 80 plus 3 is 83. So a 21st term is nothing but 83 is the answer. So like this way you can find. Or like Sakshi, she have explained. So how we can go with the A21? One more method we have. A21 can be written in direct formula. A plus 21 is here. So 1 less, that is 20. So directly A value know, that is 3, and D value is 4. So it is nothing but 3 plus 24 the 80. 80 plus 3 is 83. So any method you can follow. So with the formula method is better. If you do by this method also, it is correct, not a problem. So anyone have a doubt here? Anyone have a doubt here? Okay. So last question of the today's class. Just we will go with the last question of the today's class. Then we will move further. That we will stop today and tomorrow we will continue. The last question of the today's class. Okay. So all of you have one question here, no doubt. Okay, very good. If you don't have a doubt, very nice it is. So let us take one question. Which term of the AP okay, I will take here the AP down one. Okay, here only I will take down. So it is a 4, 9, 14, 19, so on 99 is okay. Is you write on here is 99. Okay, the question seems quite interesting. So here the questions looks quite interesting. Actually, what here they have given? The given thing is which term of the AP 4, 9, 14, 19 so on is 99. So here the problem is they have not told you to find any term. They have not told you to find any term here. They have told you to find which term is 99. Okay, you understood? So they are not given anything to find the 18th term, find the 25th term, find the 26th term, or find the 99th term. No, they have not given anything else like that way. Which term we are finding they have not mentioned, but here they have given the value for you. That value they have given, and they have told you to find the term. Which term it is? Which term means what? Term refers to what? What do you mean by term? In a formula wise, if you go, here is the formula. What is that term refers to? What you are going to find? The term you are finding. What you will have to find here? AP is given. How to find which term is 99? So what is that term refers to? Term refers to not. They have not asked you to find the A99. No. Term refers to here. I am showing the formula. What do you mean by term refers to? Yes, Satish Kothiyani have given the correct answer. But the term refers to n value. The term refers to nothing but n value. You have to find the n value. Remember, here they have not asked you to find anything else. They have told you to find term. Term refers to n. You have to find which n value, which term will become 99. So obviously n value will not become 99. We have to find the n value. We have to find here n value what it is. So what this 99 refers to? Here you can say that the first it is a value. A value is 4. You can write down a value is equals to 4 and difference is equals to 9 minus 4 means a2 minus a1 you can go with. A2 minus a1 that is nothing but 9 minus 4 that is equals to 5. Difference between them is 5. That we can write it. Now what is this 99 refers to? I am asking what is that 99 refers to? 99 must be equal to something, no? Yes, 20th term or n, which term we don't know. Yes, it is nth term, that is nothing but an value. Here this last term it is. So the first term is a1, second term is a2, third term is a3, fourth term is a4, so on. Last term is an. Yes, here the anth term. Anth term, what is that? An value is 99. So an value is given as 99. Remember, here they have not mentioned anything. Nth term they have not told you to find. They have told you to find which term, means which n value will become that 99 as the final last sequence number. That is an value. So we will go for the formula method. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, obviously we don't know the value of n, so we can't find the n. But an value is given. An value is how much? 99. A value is given 4. N value not given. So write down n minus 1 as it is. D value we found. D value is nothing but 5. So we substitute that value as a 5. So we will continue. This 4 you can bring it to this side. So what will happen? 99 minus 4. Not answer is not a 494. Huh? So 99 minus 4 that is equals to n minus 1 into 5. I am not multiplying 5 inside. Why I am not multiplying 5 on the inside? I will tell you. So the next term is 99 minus 4 is 95. That is equals to n minus 1 into 5. Now what we will do is this 5 we will shift on the other side. It is into. So if you substitute, take that 5 on the other side, what will happen? 95 into we have, so it will divide. So it will become n minus 1. So I will take a little bit down. Okay. Okay. Now we remember 95 by 5 is nothing but 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 45 is left, 19 you will get. So 19 is equals to n minus 1. So minus 1 again we will shift. It will become 19 plus 1 that is equals to n value, and obviously 19 plus 1 is nothing but 20 that is equals to n value. So our n value is nothing but 20. Yes. So we can write it down. 99 is a 20th term of the given AP. That given AP is nothing but 4, 9, 14, 19, so on. Last term is 99. And if you want, you can clearly write the first term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, fourth term is A4, and the last term 99 is the 20th term. A 20th term is. So yes, 19 plus 1 is 20. Clear? So here you see 19 we have. 19 plus 1 if you will add, you will get 20 as the answer. So this is the whole thing. I am not saying to find the 20, the 99th term I have not told you to find. I have told you to find 99 is which term? 99 is which term? So I hope all of you understood. If you want, I will give one question for you. Today, all of you like this way only try. One more question. So let us see how many of you will get it correctly and how many of you will find difficulty to solve this and everything. Just I will give. Anyone have a doubt means here you can ask. The question for the next one is, take down. You have to find. Okay, so same question. If you have 7, okay, write it down. Which term of the given AP which term of the given AP 7 comma 13 19 so on is 205. The first question. Similarly, you can take one more question. One more uh, question I give. 16, 20, 24, so on is 200. So find these two questions and we will meet you tomorrow. So all of you study this and practice it. It is very easy. AP is a very easy lesson. It is not difficult, very easy to find. It is like a logic question and you can find it nicely. You can practice it and you can study it properly. So see you tomorrow, all of you, with the same timing, 10 o'clock. Morning 10 to 11 it will be, or less than that only 1 hour I'm going to take, not more than that. So see you for tomorrow. Take care, and if it is possible, take the questions and solve some of the question by yourself. So tomorrow we are going to learn the next part. It will be a very interesting again. So again 2-3 days is enough for me to complete this whole lesson. So take care. See you tomorrow. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask. Only write down that two questions. Now what I have given, just to write it down that two question. If you already finished, very nice. So thank you one and all. And if you subscribe this channel means it is good for me, and share as much as possible if possible for you. So tell your friends to join tomorrow also, those who are studying in a 10th for this year. It may be CBSE, it may be ICSE, or it may be state syllabus. The same portion you have, AP lesson you have for all. So please like and subscribe the channel. Take care all of you. Bye.